Hello and welcome to Algebraic Learning channel. In this video, we'll explain how to add two algebraic expressions using column method through examples. Let's get started. In this example, we want to add the two algebraic expressions 2x plus 3y and 4x plus 5y. To start adding, we are going to put the two algebraic expressions in columns like this and making sure that the like terms come below each other. Then we add the coefficients of x. 2x plus 4x equals 6x. Then we add the coefficients of y. 3y plus 5y equals 8y. Thus we get the summation of the two algebraic expressions, which is 6x plus 8y. Let's take another example. In this example, we want to sum the following two expressions, which consists of three terms: 5x plus 6y plus 3z and 2x plus 3y plus 3z. As the previous example, we are going to put the two algebraic expressions in columns like this and make sure that the like terms come below each other. Then we add the coefficients of like terms. We will start with the coefficient of x. 5x plus 2x equals 7x. Then we add the coefficients of y. 6y plus 3y equals 9y. Finally, we add the coefficients of z. 3z plus 3z equals 6z. Finally, we get 7x plus 9y plus 6z. Let's see our last example. In this example, we want to find the sum of two algebraic expressions. But you will notice that the terms of the second algebraic expression isn't ordered like the first one. So, we will rearrange the terms of the second algebraic expression as you see. Then, we put the two algebraic expressions below each other like this. And don't forget to make sure that the like terms comes below each other. Now, we will start adding the coefficient of the first terms. 4x plus 2x equals 6x. Then we add the coefficients of the second term. 3y plus 5y equals 8y. Then we add the coefficient of the third term. 1z plus 3z equals 4z. So, the summation of these two expressions is 6x plus 8y plus 4z. In the end, I hope that the explanation was perfect. And don't forget to practice more by doing more exercise for this topic. Thanks for watching and listening, and see you next time.